Welcome to the Dilworth model. The spacious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment home is focused on comfort. Located in Abberly Woods in Charlotte, North Carolina, the Dilworth was designed with you in mind. It features a private, spacious patio, 9-foot ceilings, and expansive windows allowing plenty of natural light. The galley-style kitchen has ample counter and cabinet space and a breakfast bar. Your owner's suite wraps you in luxury. The spacious bedroom offers a large walk-in closet and ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom offers enough room for a bed and a desk, which can be perfect for working or learning from home. You also get another large closet, perfect for any overflow storage needs. Convenience is key, and this home offers laundry hookups, extra closets, and ADT smart home technology. The Dilworth is just one of many floor plans at Abberly Woods. Our homes have a pet-friendly policy with no breed restrictions. So, are you ready to explore comfort and style waiting for you? Visit AbberlyWoods.com. Abberly Woods by HHHunt Apartment Homes is part of HHHunt. Visit all of our communities and learn more at HHHunt.com.